Hindi yung araw. Ay, okay na yun.
Nga, diba? Hindi ko makita eh. Hindi, andun kasi sila.
Ah, okay.
Hindi ko makuha.
Ito siya po po. Hi vlog.
Vlog!
Makapagpunan sa amin.
Ano bago?
Luma yung part lang.
Tayo yung ginawa niyo.
Kapay.
Ay, pag ganun.
Ay, nice. Ano,
Ito nga pala yung summit
unang
ng
hirit.
kumpul-kumpul.
Saan mo ito, te?
Ay, ito. Kumpul-kumpul?
Kom-kom-pol!
Ay, sorry.
Kom-kom-pol!
Ay, ano ba? Kumpul pala. Ito na, bababa na kami.
Babaanin dalawang high profile.
Kumpul-kumpul hanggang sa, ano ba? Sa bunker kami. Ito yung trail niya. Maganda. Good morning po. Nasarapan eh, no?
Parang na-sentro na. Ano yun, na-sentro na?
Naglimatic ka na? Oo.
Itaguan na sila dito.
Mm.
Sakapin nyo kami sa Mose Flores. Baka masibat ka na. Sabi yung bunganga niya, kabastos.
Kailangan ng asin. Asinan nga yan.
Puti yan. Akala mo lang, walang mga puno dun. Baka may nakasilip na ano. Walang. Wow! Sarap magdugtog dito. Wow! Picture ulit!
Ito yung isang signage ng Mount Tampa. Yes! Pasig South. Kita nyo na kung gaano kaganda ang trail ng Kumkumpol to Bunker. Ito. Back to Bunker. Tambao. Nababa na kami. Bali ang exit namin dun sa Ketal, yung barangay. Ano yung nakita ko sa ano yata yun? Babaeng puti. Balik tayo.
Kaya nga sulit ng tubig.
Ginawang daga eh, no? Mabait yan.
Ako, pag wala akong hindi kakasabay sa trail.
Yan lang. Malapit na.
Okay.
Ayan po ay isang technique ng isang hiker. Pababa, umaatras lang.
Pinapasok.
5-minute rest namin. Chill climb. Na, tapos na yung trek namin. Ito na yung van. Maglilinis na kami. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go,